And the part where the wives find out that they're sick and bagulise bujonasi, that is very real. It happens in real life, so be careful.
Yo guys, molweni namkelekile nonke kwazi Chisave Entertainment andisayihleki ke guys uVuyokazi and uTirelo are literally being dragged for sharing opinions zabo on the recent telenovela The Polygamist. The Polygamist guys is giving us sleepless nights. All of us, I think 90% of women nje manditi globally maningati just in South Africa, because this telenovela is literally even spoken about America. Just imagine. So you guys, game of your guys has been going on and on about it. The very first video which I inserted for you guys in Doba Manibone iya trenda, and then ke ebe busy ke na ku Facebook kukhona ke izinto ebezipostile that might be relating to ke umjolo wakhe ke noMpumelelo Mseleku. One of the very few things that were in correlation to umjolo wakhe noMpumelelo is what she wrote on Facebook. Uthi, number one, am I wrong for not feeling sorry for the second wife? Or is she the third wife now? I mean, Umatiba kwaze kwanzima. And then she went on to say, I don't feel sorry for Umatiba at all, guys. The comment section, yo, bati, it's giving you while you were still in a relationship with Usbindi. Bathi ke abanye Umatiba ufana no Tirelo. And someone said, you need to heal from what Tirelo put you through, Sisi. Another one says, that is because she is triggering you, Sisi. Then she went on to write and say, ukolise abafazi bakhe simply because he cannot control his D. Ucinga ngevoroso yakhe uJonasi. Now, guys, you'll remember there was a time on Izinganez's Thembu whereby Utirelo was confronting Umpumelelo for having a drop. Angisayikhumbuli le sexual ndondon owayenayo, but I think it's called a drop. So people were also commenting saying that Vuyokazi, this triggered you because you can relate. Some were saying so cinga about what you went through, while others are saying, hey, Sibindi uyabulala, Sibindi uyaphilisa. Guys, uyabona nje ku TikTok it's even worse, the things people are saying to uVuyokazi. Now I did also see that uTirelo posted naye about the polygamist. Ngicela sibukele nansi ivideo yakhe, then we'll just go through some of the things she also shared on her social media platforms.
Because of Kwababa. Jonas, I don't know. You guys, banna ga se batho. Yo, banna ga se batho tle. Ke go bang 4 a.m. Guys. Wow.
And she also posted go Facebook, guys, and one of the very first few posts she made was that, oh, no one is above the program, Bafazi Aibo rishebilengle. Angazi ukuthi kuchaza ukuthini lokho, guys, but please, if you know the language, guys, please translate it for me. Unfortunately, guys, for Utirelo, a lot of people were coming for her to such an extent that she ended up closing a comment section yake. She also went on to say, when it comes to men, there's no exception. You'll experience him for who he truly is. Just wait for your turn. And one person wamphendula wathi wena ke uphila obuya bomu as we speak. This is actually the saddest part, the fact that you are posting about this kanti uyabuphila obubomi. Omnye aphendule athi I love it xa ithethwa nguwe ngoba you thought you are an exception wena kuqala, but they keep showing you no one is above the program. They kept on calling her out to you guys. And khona ke abathi Umpumelelo no Tirelo, they are Jonas again, not Joyce. So yeah, guys, nazi indaba ze horror. For those of you who have watched The Polygamist, what are your thoughts? Engage ani. Dizoni bona ngomso ekseni. Good night, guys.